How to add money to Monese? Follow the instructions. Open the Monese app on your phone. Log into your account if asked. Go to the main dashboard. Tap on Add Money. Choose a top-up method that suits you. If using a debit card, tap on Instant Top-up. Enter your debit card number carefully. Enter the card expiry date. Enter the CVV or security code from the back of your card. Type the amount of money you want to add. Check that all details are correct. Tap Confirm to complete the top-up. Wait a few seconds for the money to appear. If using bank transfer instead, select Bank Transfer option. Use the bank details shown to send money from another account. Thank you for watching.